Yo, it's me, Luigi Gamer Pro. Today, we are going to be reacting to a video of SMGF, which is called Mario Gets His Ass Stuck in the Fridge. This one is made by SMG Filler. Alright. So, I'm guessing this video is going to be weird. But hey, if you're a huge Mario fan or an SMG4 fan, then this is the channel for you. Hit that like and subscribe button. Nah, I was just thinking. Let's just watch this video. That's so nice. Mario's eating from the fridge? What? Yo, what? Oh no. Oh no.
Mamma mia!
Did his ass literally got stuck in the fridge? Did his ass literally got stuck in the fridge? Door stuck!
I'm going to lick ya.
Yo! Yo! Oh my god, that's just a weird scene, bruh.
Chickens, shut up!
Chicken. What? Bro! Why?
Oh my head. Mamma mia.
Yo! Yeah, you can't move because...
Wake up in the morning feeling like pizza.
Yeah.
Shit! Mario? Toad!
Mario's ass is stuck in the fridge.
I can't feel my ass. Mario! Mamma mia. What? Oh my goodness! Mamma mia!
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. When was this made, actually? 15 December.
Mamma
Everyone! Why is Luigi letting know about everyone? Okay,
Here
let's
we
stop
go.
pausing. Wow!
Yeah!
Bro! Who's that? Teletubby? Teletubby? Teletubby.
Fire,
Who's that? Melanie!
Dead!
Did his ass got unstuck? Bowser! Let's see what Bowser.
Mario! Can't move! Trash! Come on, you fat!
Jump, jump.
The f***? I like big things.
What? Bro! What? Eggman! Bro! Why are you so weird, Eggman? Oh, we got it.
Mamma mia!
Okay now. What are you doing? Mario. God, that looks a bit gay.
Oh, wait.
Oh no. Mario has
They
pain.
took my ass. I can't
Oh
Thank
yeah.
you. Come again. Boy.
Yeah, he's walking with the fridge. With Yoshi.
What are you looking at, butthead?
Yoshi's looking at that yacht! Say that. Bro.
What are you, fucking gay?
Yeah, are you gay?
Oh, back up, you crazy. Hey, fine.
Yeah!
Hell yeah!
Oh no! That is gonna be
Mario
painful.
test is fantastic. It's
Oh,
time.
that
Oh, shit.
Luigi's there. Luigi's just
Mario! Wow. I can't use my ass. Bye.
Come on, let's go home. Yeah, that's a good idea. Is it the fridge?
Here we go.
That fridge is finally
Mario.
resting Mario's gyatt.
Boy.
Oh,
Oh, my hand.
that was painful. Yeah. Oh no! Don't do the same thing.
Oh, hell
Don't
no.
do the same thing.
Kiss my ass. Okie dokie.
Not over. Can I make my own SMG4 video?
Do it.
Click it.
Do it.
Click it. It's not over yet.
Please kill me.
It's not over yet. Well, that was fun. That was fun, I gotta tell you. But is there also something at the end? I gotta know. Yeah, I know. No, that's just and also subscribe to me. We're so damn close to 600 subscribers. I mean, this was actually kind of a weird ass video. Oh my god. This was weird. Ja. Oh, I don't.
Vandaag de dag.
Nope, I don't want to see an ad. Well, also subscribe to me. Just subscribe, to me. Oh, even Gaka react, but that's, the video Mario gets his penis stuck in the door. But it was actually a pretty funny video. Anyway, subscribe, bro.